That's why I think if you come back, like the summer, you know what I mean? Like if we can kind of, if we would, you'd benefit a lot. Because we've taken years, maybe a decade of tension out of you in this session, maybe a bit more even.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was one.
Yep. A little bit harder when I got oil on my hands. I'll just grab a towel. No. Yeah, that was it. So now we're going to move up. See the huge difference in this arm now, you know?
Yeah.
I remember even I was saying like you were a little bit concave in here.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of depressed energy or sadness or something. And this is a tension area of tension from the legs meeting with tension from the arms as well. So like I'd always work the chest near the end of a... Ah, there we go.
That one went too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Relax.